Generally, the geographical location of where your dust exposure occurred will determine which law applies to your compensation entitlements, not the location where you might live now. For example, if you're exposed to silica dust while working in the ACT, your entitlements will be governed by ACT law. If you have been exposed to silica dust while working in the ACT, as well as in another state, then you may have different entitlements available based on each state's law. Some jurisdictions can offer more favourable entitlements than others, so it is important to seek advice about all entitlements you have before pursuing a claim. In the Australian Capital Territory, the body that oversees workers' compensation for silica diseases is WorkSafe ACT. Sufferers of silicosis who endured dust exposure at work are able to claim workers' compensation benefits under the Workers' Compensation Act of 1951. The entitlements include compensation for medical expenses, weekly compensation, and lump sum compensation for permanent impairment. Court claims are also available and can be pursued in the Supreme Court of the ACT. However, you have to make a choice between making a lump sum claim for permanent impairment or a court claim. Workers' compensation claims must be lodged within 3 years after the date of injury or after the worker becomes aware of the injury. Court claims must also be lodged within 3 years after the day the injured person knows that they have suffered an injury and that it is related to someone else's act or omission